praises and honor and glory give to Modimo, the creator of all things. My name is Brother Moapare, and we welcome you back to our channel. And greetings to all of you, my Bantu brothers and sisters. I welcome you back. Okay, we are continuing with our series, all right? Okay, so in today's video, we are discussing, people who are called by his name. Okay, and in today's video, we are looking at the name Batswana or Motswana. Okay, so if you recall, if you have seen our previous video, if you haven't, I invite you to go there and view it in more details. We are discussing if my people who are called by my name. Okay, this is 2 Chronicles chapter 7 verse 14. Okay, now the scripture, we can analyze it and realize that there are two questions that may come out from that. Okay, what is this name, okay, of the Most High? My people who are called by my name. Okay, and how is that name related to the Most High? Okay, and also I'm inviting you to view answering Proverbs chapter 30 verse 4. I think there are 4 parts there where we looked at the various names of the Most High, and this is where he was asking us, it's a riddle if you like, okay, who have ascended below, okay, who have you have ascended above, who have descended below, okay. And if you recall, we indicated that if you are to descend, you are going to the roots, and the roots is Modi, okay, and the roots is the beginning, that is Alpha, okay. If you have to, ascend, that is the top end, that is Omega, okay. And in Setswana, we say that is Dimo, or Kwahodimo, Lehodimo, right? And then we also spoke other words, official words like the rock. Some people say the rock of our salvation. Okay, we also means the word. Okay, lentswe labaratani as an example. Lentswe is the rock. Okay, and when you say lentswe, okay, that is the word. Okay, so we also spoke about the name Creator. Okay, Mothodi wa dilo tsohle, okay, the creator of all things, right? And then we also highlighted the pioneer who have established all the ends of the earth. If you are an establisher, you become a pioneer, right? And then that is Motoboludi or Motoboluki, okay? All right, so, and then if you read that, it says, what is my name and what is my son's name, if you can tell, okay? So we were able to help us to understand that, okay? So now, okay, notice that this word Alpha, okay, which is the beginning, is also the roots, okay? So this is Moody, okay? So here, with the second witness, when 2 or 3 people are gathered in my name, okay, or in the mouth of 2 or 3 shall my word be established. So I don't want people to just believe in me or the other guy is crazy, he's coming with new stuff. No, I'm not trying to recreate the wheel. Okay, so we can see here that this word Moody, okay, it's a Setswana word. This is the true Hebrew, okay. So the other word that means Moody, according to this dictionary, okay, we see that this word in English, it's a root, okay. But we also want to see that it is the same as Motswi. Okay, this is Motswi. Okay, so if you know Setswana, you know that there is a proverb, the Setswana proverbs that says "Ka tlhagolela mokana ya re o gola wa ntlhaba." If you know mokana it's a root that comes up as an arrow, and very sharp. Okay, so this is probably the Most High when he was speaking, that he cultivated this root, okay, this arrow-like root, okay, that's Mokana, right? And speaking about the children of the remnant, or the holy seed, okay, as he cultivated them, they betrayed him because they forsook, him, as it was he is their God. He referred to them as my people. Okay, so this is the root that it is spoken about. And if you also read other scriptures in Jeremiah, for example, Jeremiah the Lord speaks about how there are my battle axe, even all manner of instruments of war. Okay, so this is the Motswi that we are speaking about. Okay, so now notice that there is also another word that is normally used. Remember when we spoke about the word more, then ana. Okay, this word ana, okay, it's a sacred word, and then we will look at it shortly. Thus, when we combine Motswi and plus Ana, it gives us Motswana. Okay, so that is how these people are called by his name. Okay, all right, I hope you are with me, and you can probably follow up, okay, with what we are saying. Okay, right. All right, so let's look at this word Anna. You recall that there was also a lady by the name Anna, okay, in the Old Testament. Okay, so Anna, this is what the Bible, the dictionary says. Okay, it says relate. Okay, and there is this word venerate. Okay, venerate. Okay, and treat as sacred. Okay, that's when we say More Ana. Okay, this is the name of the Most High. It means a healing, either tree or branch or roots. But anything that is Moreana, it is a tree or a branch or a root, particularly a root that heals. Okay, there's when you remove the A, the Batswana call him Morena, okay, or Lord, okay, or Chief, okay, or of Chief, or Lord. Okay, so now that's the word Motswi Ana. Okay, it's then this people Batswana. So we've already looked at part 1, 2, 3, and 4, that these are all Batswana. Okay, Bafokeng are Batswana tribe. Okay, Bakhatla are a Tswana tribe. Okay, Basotho are Batswana tribe, right? Barolong are a Batswana tribe. Okay, so Batswana then these people are Batswana, Batswi Ana. Okay, I hope that you can pick and understand what we are talking about, my brothers and sisters. Okay, so Batswana are called, okay, by the name of the Most High. That is Alpha. Okay, he is the beginning. All right. Okay, so cheers, and until next, stay tuned. And my name is Brother Mawapare. Until next time. Okay, bye.